अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं मोहम्मद अब्दुल हकीम। 7H न्यूज में आपका इस्तकबाल है। यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया मेहदीपट्टनम ब्रांच गोलकुंडा एरिया में विजिलेंस अवेयरनेस वीक सेलिब्रेट किया है, जिसमें MS साजिद चीफ मैनेजर और उत्तम कुमार असिस्टेंट मैनेजर, मोहम्मद अतीक, मोहम्मद लतीफ असिस्टेंट मैनेजर और जकी ने शिरकत की। आइए देखते हैं ये रिपोर्ट।
Good morning everyone. We are thankful to Union Bank for conducting this vigilance program in our school against corruption for the corruption free India by 2022. We are happy that Union Bank has selected our school, Alliance International School at Golconda, where such programs are needed, and we are also thankful to the MS Saeed Saab for conducting essay competition, which brings awareness among the students and encouraging them by distributing prizes and all. We wish such programs are conducted in more and more schools to bring awareness among more and more children who are the future nation builders. I once again thank Union Bank, Saeed Saab and team for visiting our school for this program. Thank you very much.
We have come from Union Bank of India Mehdipatnam branch. Today we have conducted Vigilance Awareness Week in the Alliance International School with Asif sir. He has cooperated with us, and we have conducted this for students of 10th class regarding Vigilance Awareness Week this year. Theme of Vigilance Awareness Week this year is to eradicate corruption and make India corruption free, to make India new India. And vision of the government of India, this awareness Vigilance Awareness Week and regarding corruption is to make India free of corruption by the year 2022, which also coincides with our 75th Independence Day. So we have narrated, explained the students, because these students are future of India, whose hands this our country's future is bare. We have conducted a small competition, essay competition also, and small gifts we have given. We are very much thankful, and we to school Alliance International School, particularly Asif sir. He has cooperated. He has allowed us to conduct this program here on behalf of Union Bank of India. Once again, I thank Asif sir for giving this opportunity to conduct a Vigilance Awareness Week here.
खबर है शहर की,
खबर है गाँव की,
खबर है सारी दुनिया की।
7H न्यूज
पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए,
शेयर कीजिए
और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
7H न्यूज, आपकी आवाज।